Like I said before, we're going to be embarking on 69 projects here in Rivers State. 43 of them are constituency projects and 26 are core capital projects, products that will impact very deeply on border community dwellers around Rivers State, especially around our maritime borders here. And that is one of the things I've come to present to the administrator, and so that we'll get his support and the support of the communities that will be benefiting from these projects. I can assure you that all of these projects are products of very thorough needs assessments that were done in over 3,000 border communities spread across 21 states and 105 local government areas in Nigeria. And they are getting it better than they've ever had now under Mr. President's renewed hope agenda. And that is just for this year alone. And I can assure you, you know me, I'm a projects person. In less than 9 months, most of these projects will be nearing completion and we'll be coming to commission them. Thank you and God bless you.
Like town halls?
Yes, like I said before, we are focusing on various areas. We're focusing on social services. We're focusing on education. We're focusing on health. We're focusing on water. And in all of our projects, and then education, we are going green in all of our projects for sustainability. So it means that almost all of the projects that we're going to be backing upon are solar powered projects. And there are some communities where they've never gotten power before. We are going to bring in off-grid solar power solutions to them. And then as we continue, we're going to progress and expand on that. Thank you, and God bless you.